Doesn't look like it would feel too good. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Not sure if this is a chiropractor, to be honest. A little too aggressive there. Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Cole with Mid-Atlantic Chiropractic. Today I will be reacting to some TikTok adjustment kind of videos, people popping their backs. All right, so a lot going on here. It's another God's hug, occipital technique there. P to A thoracic. Side posture, a side joint. Little toe action. God's hug. Occipital lift. A to P thoracic. Lumbar side posture with a pull. That's called a push. Oh. Very aggressive Y strap back there. God's hug. Supine diversified. Table needs some work. Got some duct tape on there. Oh. P to A. Side posture, side posture, side posture.
Oof. Now we
God's hug. Oh, advertisement. Unskippable. Oh. A little bit of rib. A little bit more side posture. That side joint. Oh. P to A. Let's see.
Drop.
Oh, he had a misfire there.
Oh my god.
So take a big breath.
Y strap, axial distraction.
Oh my god.
A little too aggressive there.
That was amazing.
Oh, misfire.
That didn't really go too much, but you felt a little one on that, right?
Yeah.
Here's one.
He adjusts a little too quickly, in my opinion.
Here's another.
He's doing a flying 7, so he's adjusting full spine very quick. That's a tailless adjustment for the talar dome. Side posture push. Pull for the lumbar. Push for the SI. Subtalar.
Oh yeah. I'm on Zoom toes. This is so much fun.
Very strange he's doing a lift instead of Y-axis. Oh, a little bit of wrist. Another God's hug. God's hug.
Oh.
Anterior.
Turn that way.
I don't like having the head turned like that.
Coming in low. Oh.
He's a little too quick. He's a pretty good adjuster, but he's not very specific, it seems like. Misfire. Yeah, a lot of misfires because he's going a little bit too quick.
Wow.
And this is just my personal preference. I'm sure Dr. Doug is an amazing chiropractor. I can't see the whole picture, of course.
Wow. You okay?
Yeah.
And I think he's been doing this for a long time, which is why he can be pretty quick. It's actually kind of helpful to have socks on. You get a little bit more grip. P to A. P to A. P to A. Supine diversified. Anterior thoracic. T1. Oh, back to the God's hug. Yeah, so good adjuster. Definitely good at getting pops. I'm sure he does listings. I see a hypervolt back there. I see an arthrostem as well. That poppy here is just two joint surfaces separating.
That one
And
doesn't.
that air escaping. Maybe scaphoid. Oh, he did a scapular adjustment.
Good. Better bounce. Got it.
Upper cervical for both of those. Upper cervical. Upper cervical. Anterior thoracic.
Got it.
A lot of twisting and torting.
Little
But
one.
yeah, really good adjuster. Would like to see listings and a little bit more specific, but Dr. Doug is welcome to do his own thing, and I think he probably does an excellent job with his patients getting them to feel better. Now it looks like we got some...
It's TikTok time, everybody!
That might be a hip plica. Just knees. Knees. Elbows. Definitely hyper mobile. Y strap. That wasn't that aggressive. That's pretty good.
Nice release there.
Y-axis distraction all the way down the spine, opening up those disc spaces there, gapping the facet joints. This is like a modified side posture, but probably pretty dangerous to do on your own. You could shear that disc.
I'm gonna crack my bones now. All right.
Toes,
Still can't crack my left.
toes,
Toes.
knuckles, fingers, pulling outwards. Oh, don't do the neck. Low back, lumbar. Oh, lots of extension.
Right at
Oh,
what's
like
called
the gloves.
CT junction, where
It is the CT
cervical
junction.
spine meets the thoracic spine.
That's
We're
right.
going to be doing an adjustment to that area to alleviate some tension, okay? All right, Kim, go ahead, nice deep breath in for me. All the way out.
Do a pies, PD with the thumb. Kind of a modified thumb move there. Not sure if this is a chiropractor, to be honest.
Respiro. Fuori tutto.
Hand is a little low. That was a push on the upper SI. Another push. A little bit lower SI there. Rotation. Not recommended. Can shear that disc. Oh, yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. A little bit too much.
It's
So
the satisfaction for me.
thoracic for the extension, but if your back is already too straight, that's not good. All right, skin on skin contact. It's kind of old school to do it like this. Kind of feel that fascia doing some popping and cracking there. Likely not bone. Likely the cartilage feeling the pop there. Doesn't look like it would feel too good. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, not super fun. Probably beneficial though, in some way. Just don't know why. Really non-specific ribs. Okay, now he's just gonna try to blast him, which isn't good because I think he's on a floor. His head is turned. That guy's bending his elbows. Well, guys, take away from that. Don't let someone adjust your neck if they're not a chiropractor. Not good, not good. But between the two videos, definitely like Dr. Doug. Dr. Doug is a fast adjuster. Looks like he's been doing it for a long time. We're a little bit more specific, it seems, not as quick. Want to be very specific about how we move that bone based off of your x-rays. But Dr. Doug's pretty famous on here, so that's awesome. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time.